These statements are to convert your negative thoughts into positive and to make you success in your life. I will always keep my mind busy. This will keep negative thoughts away from me. I will also stay away from negative people, and I will always walk on the right path. I face everything fearlessly. I always use my art in the right place. I sympathize with people. I will not give any trouble to anyone. I love myself a lot. I love my parents very much. I am used to winning every time. If for some reason I go every year, I try to learn a lot from this defeat, and I try again. I will never keep. I have a lot of energy. Nothing is more important to me than my goal. I can fulfill my dreams. Whether someone is with me or not, I will keep on moving towards my goal. I do not need anyone. I can be the only drawback. I believe in myself. My thoughts are very clear. I am a good person. I will not hurt anyone. I will not sit idle. The habit of sitting idle is bad. I'll talk the most. I will help them. I will listen to them. I will try to be a good listener. I will not make any mistake in my work. I will work carefully on every little thing. The little things in Q can make a big difference. I will try and make life easy. Don't make any mistake of me, because of which no one gets hurt. I will be a successful person as well as a good citizen. I am a respected person. I can control my emotions. I have control over myself. I am not afraid of people. I'm not afraid of anything. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe to your channel for more colorful and peaceful affirmations. Have a good and safe life.